All right, so we're at the Brunswick County Airport.
Get the Cadillac.
Guy told me if I could get this thing out of here, I could have it. So I sent some pictures to a Cadillac dealer here in Wilmington, and he told me if I can get it to him, he'd give me $400 for it. So I'm not going to sell it to the scrapyard, that's for sure. So I guess they're going to part it out.
Always good to know people.
$400 is better than $150 at the scrapyard. Where you got a hook to? I mean on the car. Pull that bumper right off. Pulling it sideways. Hey, just pulling it that way. It's not going to work. It needs to go the other way. Really sucks. Wish we could break that fucking brake loose. What would make that fucking wheel pull up easier? Nothing. Brake being unlocked.
Brake being unlocked?
Damn it. And pull it a little tighter.
Don't get quick.
There you go. Not pulling the bumper off.
Nah, can't be. That's plastic.
Huh? Yeah, it's moving. Can you tell?
Yeah, it's moving.
This thing just quit.
What?
I don't know.
Bottom much. Yeah. You hit the button.
That wheel's rolling. I have to pull it back this way again though.
Yeah.
Have to get it.
Oh.
Huh?
See what both come on.
Yep. Well, it's not like it's gonna roll forward.
No, it ain't gonna go more.
That's about it.
Go more.
That's it, Paul. Come down. Yeah, better. It'll fall off anyway.
Yeah.
Put it in the back of the truck. Put it in the back of the truck, or
outside. Get outside. Probably also. A little one piece.
really?
Yeah, that's all I do.
Okay, right there.
Crazy way to do it, dude.
Huh?
You gotta get outside these.
What do you mean?
Like that way it come off.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You got to put the face.
Really?
Get out back.
Gotcha. The fucking quarter ain't short, bro. That's it. I hate that brake's locked up. Alright, we got it on there. Thanks to him. That thing helped out a bunch.
You still got it forward, don't you?
No.
No?
Why?
Buy a Cadillac.
Huh?
Huh?
What?
You can buy a Cadillac.
She dry rotted too, boy. I was going to, I just haven't had time to get there yet, so I'm doing other stuff until I get time. I don't have no time for that right now. Love you. Oh, man. Alright, so we're gonna get some air in these tires. These are low, both of them. They're dry rotted. I just hope we can make it to Wilmington with them like they are. Pretty dry rotted. The wheels are turned just slightly, so I'm going to turn them a little bit since I can. Anyways, the guy at the Cadillac place in Wilmington told me he'd give me $400 for this car if I bring it to him, so that's a whole lot better than scrap prices. $400 right there.
Yeah, it's got a key to it.
Yeah, it's got a key.
Let me open the door for you.
Yeah, it has a key and everything.
Okay. See how long this fork is?
Yeah.
We're going to pick up both sides of the car. Won't damage it. What year is that, 69?
Got your Leatherman on you?
70 miles.
I went down there, I thank God I had him with me, because I'd seen this place a bunch of times when I drive by it, but I never thought about it. He was like, man, call Cadillac only. I was waiting, need to bring it. Yeah, we found the keys. They were in the console. We don't know what happened to the owner. He's long gone. Been sitting at the airport for over 5 years, they tell me. Sitting there. He said, that thing has got to go.
83,000 miles.
Yeah.
Was there a license plate on it?
No. Nope.
Who's the Italian?
No tag on there at all. Nothing. It's a 92.
The number covered up, David?
Yep. All the tags on it.
What's it covered with?
Trash paper.
Garbage. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh,